So we have a term called as coefficient of restitution. So the basic idea here is that if we need to know how bouncy something is, we can express it in terms of coefficient of restitution. So let me read through. If we need a way to measure how bouncy something is, that's where the coefficient of restitution comes into picture. It's like a bouncing meter. Okay, it's a way to talk about bouncing. It's a number between 0 and 1. If it's 1, it's a perfect bounce, like an imaginary super bouncing ball. If it's 0, it's we don't see any bouncing at all, like a clay ball. So if you take a clay and let it go, what happens? It just falls and it doesn't bounce back, right? As a definition, coefficient of restitution is defined as the ratio of magnitude of velocity of separation and the magnitude of velocity of approach. Okay, so as a formula, we have done this before actually, as in relative velocity and stuff. So E is equal to, that's how we represent the restitution symbolically. So V1 minus V2 divided by U1 minus U2 minus, this is U1 minus, this will be, it doesn't matter actually. Okay, since it's magnitude. So that will be your formula. Note the value of E depends on the material of the colliding bodies, both the bodies. So let's look at the values and what they mean. So if we have the coefficient of restitution to be 1, we're looking at elastic collision, the kinetic energy is conserved. Main point is that no energy loss takes place. And the object bounces off. Basically elastic collision. So 1 means elastic collision, that's all you guys have to remember. Between 0 and 1, we have inelastic collision. So here the kinetic energy is not conserved. So you understand that. So same property, inelastic. If it's 0, it is perfectly inelastic. So kinetic energy is not conserved. Object sticks together, maximum energy loss. So super elastic is when K is greater than 1, kinetic energy increases. Basically, this is an example of explosion. Okay. Again, you need to know this value, what it means. So it's just a way of communicating different types of collision, which you already know of. So it's just a metrics, way of having a conversation about something with numbers. Okay. So you need to copy all of this. And you need to write this formula. And then moving on, the table.